Traveling is the best way to learn about a new place. We get to learn about its artwork and its culture. I'm Ronja, a cultural traveler. This time, me and my travel partner Zuska are going to show unusual destinations in Jakarta you've never seen. Let's see! Art One is a professional fine art gallery business in Jakarta and the first private art museum that is open to public that truly operates to international standards. Taman Mini Indonesia Indah is a miniature park area of 150 hectares which represent cultures from all around Indonesia. Taman Mini has many different traditional houses from many regions all over Indonesia.
We have visited the region of West Sumatra and currently we are in the region of Bali.
Yeah, and it's really nice here. It feels like you are actually in Bali.
Yeah, you can see all the traditional architecture, the different types of buildings and places. It's very peaceful here.
Yes. So actually, you can experience all the different cultures of Indonesia, just that they're all in Jakarta.
So you don't need to travel all around the country, you can visit everything within one day.
Now let's have some fun adventure in Dinosaur Park, which is still located in Taman Mini. At first we thought this place was just filled with ordinary dinosaur replicas. Then we realized they actually can move and roar. They look scary, but we are having a lot of fun. Betawi Cultural Village is an area that offers Betawi cultural performance such as traditional music, art, dance and theater. Batik, always identified with Java, was also owned by the Betawi. Batik Betawi has different characteristics than batik from other typical areas, namely striking colors and ondel-ondel motifs. Let's move to Jakarta Fair, the largest exhibition in Southeast Asia, which also offers cultural shows. Spend your day admiring the beauty of artworks and culture you've never seen. Let's explore Jakarta!